What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. I'm currently running a free promotion that will give you a free YouTube banner, a Twitch overlay, Twitch panels, a logo, whatever it is you need, and it will be 100% customized by me for free. This is a limited time thing, so get your requests in now, as I already have several people in line to have a banner, a logo, or panels made for them. I will upload every request that I get and possibly live stream the creation of your YouTube channel's banner or your logo or your panels. Please hit that subscribe button, send me a message, and let me know if you would like something made for you. Thanks for stopping in and tuning into my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the next video.